This is my most awaited living room reveal. In today's video, I'm not only going to show you this third living room after 3 years of hinting at it, but I'm also going to be decorating it from start till finish. And I'm also going to be giving you the tea on where I got every single thing from. So if you have a living room and you're looking for ideas on how to put it together, this video is perfect for you. With that said, family, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, this is the space. Let's go ahead and turn this into a beautiful, nice getaway for whoever wants to get away here. This is technically my third living room. It is a pretty large room. It has like 3 different compartments. So it has this compartment. There's another one behind you there, which I'm not gonna show this time. I'll show it in an upcoming video, so stick around for that. And there's another whole compartment over here, and I'm going to show you that later. But the main focus of today's video is this area. We are going to turn this beautiful area into a nice family TV room or movie room for now. But in the future, I'm going to make this an actual custom movie room. But for now, I have this beautiful couch, really nice couch that I want to show you guys. We're gonna set it up, and we're gonna set up the whole room like you guys know I like to do. I like to take an empty space like this and turn it into a whole beautifully, fully decorated room. I've done that forever on my channels. And that is important for me because I feel like it gives you guys an idea on how to, spruce up your space as well, and doing it from start to finish. So with all that said, let's get into it. I usually like to choose a piece of furniture or a rug or a picture to just go by and set up the whole room. That's the easiest way to set up a room if you don't know what color scheme to go with. So you can go with this, for example, this beautiful art piece. You can put this up and then go in, choose the colors from the art piece, and then make that your whole room, all right? But for today, we're gonna do the art piece and the rug. So let's get into it. So our chair is set up, or couch is set up. How beautiful is that? These are the 3 cushions. By the way, I'm watching TV, and yes, I'm watching myself on TV. That is a large projector screen. I'm gonna tell you guys about that in another video. But anyway, back to the couch. I really like this couch, and it goes so well with the rug. Look at that. How beautiful. So beautiful. By the way, the rug is from Home Goods. The couch is soft, comfortable, and the fabric feels amazing. Like, you have to feel it in person. It feels amazing. The great thing about this couch is that you can make it as large as you want, as long as you want, and have as many seats as you want. So this is a 4-seater, but as you can see, the seats are pretty large. So you can fit more than 4 people here. And then you also have the ottoman at the end there. And you can sit here, relax, watch TV. So it's really nice on its own already, but let's go ahead and add a little bit more to just bring the whole room together. That is the beauty of having a neutral color furniture or couch or sectional. You can choose any color, any design, anything you want to do because the base itself is neutral. So that is one of the greatest things I love about just having neutral furniture. And that is why my entire home is full of neutral color furniture. It just makes sense. You can do whatever you want. The rug, I can change the rug, and then based on the rug, I can add my accent colors. I can just do all of those things. But anyway, enough yapping. Let's get into decorating. All right, as I said, we're really going by the art piece. So the first 2 decorative pillows I'm gonna bring are black. These kind of match the one upstairs in the second living room, but those ones they're much bigger. These are like, I would say medium size, and you'll see a smaller size a little later. So let's go ahead and put this in. Again, the couch itself comes with a lot of pillows. These are 3 more pillows. These are smaller. These are on the smaller side. That's why I said that's medium, this is small, and then you have your bigger pillowcases or pillows. Okay, to bring out some of the neutrals, I have 2 neutral pillows here. I'm gonna add them to the couch to bring out some of the neutrals in the art piece there, and add them right here. And this is gonna serve too for more comfort, for if you really wanna lay in the couch and relax. All right, see how it's coming together already? Just everything is coming together, and we haven't even done anything yet, but it looks so good already. The next pillow I wanna bring here is this, I think it's like, I'm not sure what color it is. Comment the color down below. I wanna say pink, and I also wanna say like a pastel pink. I wanna say blush. But it goes with the rug, okay? It goes with the rug, and it goes with, you can't really see it, it goes with some of the pinch of pastel pink in the artwork. So this is gonna work perfectly fine right in the middle here. So if you take a look at the rug, you can see where I'm pulling that color from. Side tables, I'm bringing these big, bold black tables, and as you can see, they go very well with everything else. So let's go ahead and bring this in. We're gonna put one here. We're gonna put the other one here. There we go. And of course, for the lamp, we're gonna put these cute little lamps. These are smaller. I'm gonna go ahead and change these a little later, but for now, this is what we have. So let's go with that. That's what the room looks like with just the lamps on. How beautiful, how gorgeous. All right, so this is what we have so far. Let's go ahead and bring in our coffee table. Now, I'm not sure if I want to put a coffee table in here, but I'm gonna bring it in and see what it looks like. If it doesn't look good, we're taking it out, but if it does, we're keeping it. So let's go. All right, so the table looks good, so we're keeping it. So let's go ahead and clean it. Now, if you're an OG and you remember this table, comment where you remember this table from, okay? Before I say it, hurry up, comment where you remember the table from. This table was in my very first home that I bought. I had a different table, and then I found this one at home, the store at home, and I thought it was so pretty because it has the glass on top, and then it has the mirror on the bottom, so it reflects. So it really looks like a bigger table than it is, but it's really nice, and because it's all glass, it doesn't take up a lot of space, versus if it was something solid, it would take up more space, if that makes sense. So, did you get it right? Did you comment the right place? I've had a lot of my furniture for a while. Even when I was going through stuff in Atlanta, I put all my stuff in storage. All my stuff was in storage. I did end up damaging a lot of my furniture. They did, not me. They broke it, the movers broke it, and things like that, but I still ended up with a lot more of them. All right, so just a few little touches here. This is just a decorative piece. I love what it looks like. You can't really tell what it is, but it's really pretty. This was from Home Goods, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on here. I have this tray. It's a glass gold tray. I'm gonna put it up here. And then I gotta clean it. And then I just have this vase with some white flowers. I'm gonna put that in the middle here. And then back in the corner here, just to bring some life, I'm gonna go ahead and set this right here. And voila! This is it, y'all. This is the downstairs living room. that was a quick setup, but look how beautiful. It just takes the right pieces to bring a big empty room to life, okay? This room, as I told you all, has three compartments. I'm not gonna show you the back where the camera is not facing, but I'm gonna show you this side, a little bit of this side, but this area, this is the TV room, y'all. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Look at this, y'all. Now we can sit here, watch TV, watch whatever is on YouTube. So the couch also comes with this little pocket, or it's like a pocket thing. It goes on the end. You can put it on that end or this end, and you can just put your remote control, anything you want to put in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it here so you can see. So it goes here like that. And like I said, your remote control can go here. You can keep your water bottle, whatever you want to keep in there, it goes there. So that's pretty cool. I'd like to say thank you to Vesgenti for sponsoring today's video.